What's going on, DKO family? We are out today. Got Melmo with me. She's back there somewhere. And of course, me. Sorry about all the noise. Where we're at, the wind is blowing today really heavily. And where we're at is right next to the highway. You probably see it back there. So it's very loud. I'm hoping the microphone picks up everything that I need it to pick up. And it shouldn't be too bad, but here's hoping. Well, let's get to it and see how we do. Stay tuned. Woo, look at Melmo go. That's our first one on a jig. Woo! It's a nice one, sweetheart. Yep. He got his teeth in me. There you go. It's not a bad one. He's a little skinny, but it's not a bad one. He's actually really skinny. That should be bigger. Should be girthier. He's very, very thin. But still, not a bad one for your first one and your first jig fish. All right. Do what? You've never had a jig on before?
No, first jig.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. That's a good one. That's a nice little chunk. All right. Well, let's get this thing back and see if Melmo can keep catching. All right. Toodles. There he goes. Just caught another one. I got it on camera. It counted. It counted. It was on camera. Well, Melmo's whipping my butt today. I didn't get a single bite on the chatterbait. Uh-oh. She got another backlash. Oh, I don't know if y'all saw that, but he came up and swiped it. So they're up in this grass. That's what it is. This is not ideal in wind, but you do what you gotta do. I don't know about you, but I'm really impressed. Oh. Told you they're sitting up in that grass. He didn't get the whole thing. This thing is short. Oh my God. Okay. Let's try to see. Re-rigged. Got the right battery for the camera now. It's hot. facing the sun. That's no fun. I feel my hands getting sunburned already. Caught me a toothpick. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? That's bait's almost as big as you, dude. What are you doing? You must have been hungry. Oh, Melmo caught one too. Double up. Mine's smaller. Alright, let's put this guy back. That way I can help Melmo. Catching. Go, Stinky. There you go. You got it?
Right there. You get it.
Yes. I got him. Yeah, they were about the same size. That's right. Hey, let's put it. This guy back. Little guy. Little guy. Okay. Let's see, Melmo can keep catching. Good job, sweetheart. Good Lord. Somebody dropped it. Now, mind you, we are using completely different baits right now. She is throwing a jig with a Bandito bug trailer. Bandito bug trailer. And I am throwing this tiny little Zoom fluke. Because my whole purpose is to run it through this grass right over the top of it in hopes that one's going to come out and smash it. There we go. That's number 2. Oh, well, it was number 2. They keep doing that. Oh, that went straight into my finger. See, I know better than that. The hook came out. Just didn't get him. Oh, man. What's the matter? How did you get your thumb?
I was trying to lip him and he got my phone. Thank you.
Hi, little guy. We're going to put you back in right here. I'm going to let you go so Melmo can keep catching. If you go fast, a lot of times it doesn't give him the chance. If you grab the hook too.
I was trying to see because my hair kept blowing in my face.
Oh, yeah, that's true. There's your little fish stick. Alright, we'll get him back and see if Melmo can keep catching. Hey, Bubba. Away you go. After all of the swipes and misses, and I'm just shocked that not more has been caught. See that? Came up and hit it, but just didn't take it. They're just not hitting it. They're in the grass. There's no doubt about that. This is crazy. I don't think I've ever tried this hard to catch fish while you're just dilly-dallying catching them. I know why I missed so many today. Because down in that corner, I actually missed a decent sized one. Saw it wake on it, smashed it, felt the weight. I went to set the hook. When I set the hook, it just went, drag wasn't set. Somehow it loosened up. I don't know how, but it was so loose that you could just go like this with the line without even really trying. So I probably could have caught a lot more than what I did, but that drag kept missing them. And it would just pull it out of their mouth essentially. It's just with the smaller ones, it was harder to feel. But that one was bigger than what we'd been catching these fish sticks. So it was like, oh, I know what that is. Sure enough, checked the drag and it was loose. I was like, oh.
Yeah. So it was a little bit on the struggle bus today. It wasn't terrible, but Melissa and I pretty much had the same jig tied on, same everything. She was just throwing it a little bit different. I was getting a little frustrated towards the end because I was missing a lot of fish. I did figure out at the end that my drag wasn't properly set, so that was on me. I should have known better. I should have checked it before even taking that first cast, but what can you do, right? So, all in all, it was a good day. It was just warm, very windy, and I know that the noise cancellation in these mics works pretty well. It's just a matter of how much did it block and how much is it killing the audio. So hopefully here pretty soon you'll be able to start noticing a little bit of a difference, because part of the audio problem that you heard in this video is I had it pinned like right here. Normally that's not a problem, but when the noise suppression is on and when Melmo is on this side of me and I go to talk, that mic is literally right here and it sounds like I'm yelling in it, and I'm really not. So I'm going to start pinning it in different locations, probably more up here like it is in this video, so that the audio quality is still good, but it's not overdoing anything. So that was a lot of the issue with this video, is it just the microphone was too close to me with the noise suppression or the background suppression going on, and just caused the audio to get a little off. Sorry about that. Oh no, we had a really good day. Looking forward to the next time we get to go out. We are starting to finish up a few things, so hopefully we'll have some new content out there. And if we can ever get the weather to cooperate, we've been getting a lot of thunderstorms and rain and stuff on a week-to-week basis, so we never know when it's going to hit us. So all we can do is just wait and see. But yeah, so thanks to everybody watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all those good things. As well, once we get to the 500 mark, I'm going to be doing that giveaway. So once I hit 500 subscribers, you're going to see the giveaway happen. So don't forget to share this video. Get anybody that like enjoys fishing or you think may enjoy my specific type of personality. Get them to see if they can subscribe. Worst case, they don't get anything out of it except maybe some comedy. If best case, they could win $200 worth of baits, or more than $200 worth of baits. So, thanks again to everybody. I hope you have a great weekend and an even better week. And remember,